You see, many fans have asked this question, especially to you. You have been with RCB for 6 years. Have you learnt any Kannada?
ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಜಯನಗರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯೋಣ.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಕಾಫಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕಂತ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಯು ಸಿ ವಿ ಡಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ಆಟ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದಟ್ ಲೈನ್.
Yeah.
ಡು ಯು ನೋ ಎನಿ ಕನ್ನಡ?
No.
Peace. Hi guys, myself Mr. Nax and today it is time for the RCB Insider interview. As you know, I'm a very rich person. I have many palaces, I have a lot of money, and I wanted to introduce this rich lifestyle to a friend of mine,
And student of peace.
Yuzi. Today I'm going to introduce you to some golf and we will talk about your life as well.
Okay, gal.
Golf. Yeah. See, firstly I want to ask you, batting only you go number 11.
Yeah.
You think you'll be able to do anything over here?
Yes, I can. I just giving chance to other batsmen of our team.
Okay, so you know how to swing the ball then.
Yes.
Okay, let's see that, and in the process you will also talk to Yuzi and find out about his life.
You want to play?
Yeah, please go for
No,
it.
you do.
Okay,
I want to
let
see
me go. Yeah.
how my coach is gonna play.
Just warming up.
Yeah.
Yeah, warming up. Yeah. Yuzi. Yeah. Great shot.
This is how you play. Yeah.
Yeah. So Yuzi, I want to firstly ask you,
Yeah.
congratulations.
Thank you.
I understand that bowlers hunt in pairs.
Yeah.
And it looks like you have become a pair now.
Yeah.
Who's this madam? What happened?
It happened during the lockdown.
While you were sitting at home, Yuzi. Continue. Yeah.
So I just want to learn dance from my childhood.
Oh.
So
Okay. And what sort of dance did she teach you?
Bhangra and everything, like 3-4 dances.
That I understand. So you met her. She was your teacher,
Yeah.
and then you fell in love with your teacher.
Yeah.
Okay, interesting. No, but actually, like, how did you make that route and go inside the love story? Tell me that.
Nothing. I just told my family after 2.5 months we know each other. Then I spoke to my family.
After 2.5 classes or months?
No. I for 2 months dancing classes.
2 months of dance, you said this is the girl I want to marry.
Yeah, I told my family
Oh.
she's the one I want to get married.
That's very romantic.
Yeah, very romantic.
See, the thing is, you see, what you need to understand is I have also DM'd many people.
But there's a difference between your DMs, my DM. Your DM, hi babe, what you doing? Are you
Yeah.
free?
No, I usually say I am free. Please take me. Somebody take me. I am free. But they don't, think. So please tell all the people who I have DM'd to reply to me. Please tell them.
Please reply to his DM.
Yeah.
Please just say, or you can block him. So you will not no more DMs from his side. Please block.
Tell me, we'll send from your account. Yeah. Come, let's go back to golf for a second. Come on. Always play on the ground. It's safer.
Yeah, really out.
So you see, madam is a choreographer,
Yeah,
and she has taught you some dancing for sure.
yeah.
Show us some moves.
I will charge.
Transfer it to you. Don't worry.
See,
Yeah.
you come here.
Yeah.
So we can do move, and then move. Okay?
I never taught him this. What is this step?
Continue. Yeah. What is the dance move? Yeah. Show me again.
So like we got this and this,
Yeah.
and then we come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. This is enough for you.
2 months you learned just this much.
No, I learn a lot, but I don't want to show my moves.
Okay, that's very interesting. So why don't we just get her in? Why don't you come inside? Please come in.
yeah.
First, when he DM'd you, did you think he was a creep? Really, ma? Huh.
No, I didn't think
Yeah.
he was a creep because
Oh.
a lot of people inquire over DMs, so it was pretty normal.
But you got damn happy, but
No, I was pretty normal.
like not bothered because it's Yuzi.
Yeah.
Did he pay the fees to you?
Yeah, it's on time.
And what marks do you give him for his dancing?
He was more sincere than a good dancer.
Yeah.
So let's stick to 7 on 10.
Now the most important question. What is your name? Yeah, what is your name?
Dhanashri Verma.
Dhanashri Verma. Okay. See, Yuzi and Dhanashri, I'm sure you guys will agree. This year has been a very tough year. TikTok got banned.
Even PUBG.
Yeah. How are you managing with those two bans?
I have no problem with the TikTok, but the PUBG, now I'm playing Call of Duty now, so I'm more happy.
He plays PUBG and does TikTok and all that.
Yeah.
How do you manage when he's always on his phone? Do you ever
I
doubt
get-
him?
Even she was on TikTok.
She was
Yeah,
on-
but I was.
You were on
forced-
TikTok too.
I was.
Jesus. Like, geez, I'm out of this interview.
I used to upload one video like in a month.
Okay.
So I was very inactive.
Okay.
Not as active as usually.
Yeah, yeah.
And I had to do it, but it was not something that I enjoyed doing. And when he's playing PUBG, I'm pretty happy because I get my space.
What do you do in that space?
I do my own thing. I dance.
So have you ever checked the other DMs he sent the other girls? Have you ever sent, has he ever done that? Have you ever done that? Have you checked his phone?
No, not at all.
Because as far as I know, I have data with me. Let me just check 1 second. Data says he sent this message of, hey, you're a good dancer to more than 35 people, only one responded.
That was 40.
He sent me one as well.
Yeah.
I didn't respond to him.
That means you're a good dancer.
I'm okay. Okay. Now the next one. You see, you have played chess for India and then you became a spinster. Have you ever played chess against her?
No, for that you need a mind.
All right. Please, you want to hit him for that line? I mean,
I'll save that for later.
but how do you react to that accusation?
He just tries to be funny, I feel.
No, but
He
you
tries
try to be intelligent as well. Like,
Yeah, always.
I don't know. I'm asking you.
I don't have to act intelligent.
Yeah.
You guys have never played chess
No.
against each other. Who's more likely to win?
Of course.
We played TT.
Okay.
And foosball.
It's 1-1 on football.
Yeah, let's balance things out.
Yeah,
Okay.
1-1 on
Cool,
football, and the table tennis is like.
Don't know how to
She
play
told me
I
like,
know-
oh,
I
she
know
told
how
me,
to
I know.
play.
She told me like, oh, I know how to play table tennis. I go, okay, let's see that.
Yeah.
Then I was like, okay.
Okay. They say cricket is a test of patience.
Yeah.
But your patience is really being tested. Why aren't you playing test cricket?
I'm just waiting for my chance.
But he doesn't last long. Is that true? That's what cricket experts say. Because you don't play test cricket. I don't know what you guys are thinking about when I said that. Okay.
My job is to perform. That's it.
Yeah, definitely.
There's no puns in that. It's a serious cricket question that I asked. Okay, the next one. AB or Virat? Who has been a nicer brother-in-law to you? Okay, I get your answer. You're both laughing. There's a joke here.
I think we know.
Yeah.
I'll go with AB, sir.
Oh, not Virat. Okay, controversy right here. Controversy. Go on. Yeah. So you've gone with AB, sir. Controversy, breaking news.
AB sir Sotan.
No, I never said that.
Sotan.
ಸೋತನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ನ್ ಸೋತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯೂಸಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ. So you like AB more than you like Virat?
No, that was
that's
not the
what you
question.
said. That
That
is
was
what
not the
you said.
question.
That is the controversy here. Please cut that. Put a breaking news graphics. Yuzi, one last question to you. This year RCB, do you really think we have a chance?
Yes, we have a chance.
So is Lady Luck bringing really some luck into your life?
Yes, lots of luck.
So are you taking it to Australia as well?
No, I don't want that much luck.
You come with me. You come. It's okay. You play golf. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to. You asked me so many questions, so it's my turn. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What about your love life?
It's there.
Where?
I'm in love with 2 chickens and a cow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. And what about your date nights?
That's it. I do animal husbandry. I'm a husband and there are animals. Yeah.
And what about like you sent so many DMs to
Yeah.
during the lockdown?
Nobody's responded.
Yeah.
Including you, I sent you DMs.
He
You
is
didn't
the only
respond.
person he reply, hey, how are you? Then he next reply on DM, hey, I'm fine, thank you, how are you?
Yeah, I replied to myself. I only play the game with myself.
So when you planning to get married?
Find me somebody.
And who is Selva Lakshmi?
Yeah, who is Selva Lakshmi?
Yeah.
I want to know this.
Yeah.
It's personal. I cannot talk about that.
No, you have to.
I cannot.
You ask so many personal questions
Yeah,
to me,
you
now
ask
you have
so many
to.
personal questions. There's
just
no
come on.
exit.
No,
There's no
no,
exit.
no.
Oh my, one second. I'm
No,
one
no.
second.
Thanks, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
He's always there. So see, this is a life-changing step for you.
Yeah.
So if you go to any club and you do this step,
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll be the next person to get married.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
What is the step?
Yeah. We hop in and cross.
Very difficult.
Left foot. Yeah.
Is it?
And then again you hop
Yeah.
in and you cross.
Oh, okay. Let's try
Yeah.
again.
Hop in, cross. Come on. Go for it. Hop in. Not bad. Not bad. So you have to do it fast. Hop in, cross. Hop in, cross.